Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll walk you through how to install XAMPP on your computer. Whether you're using Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, XAMPP makes it easy to set UPA local server for your development projects. For this demo, we'll be using the Windows operating system. Step 1. Downloading XAMPP. First, open your web browser and go to apachefriends.org. On the home page, you'll find download options for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Click on the Windows version to download the installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer as an administrator to begin the installation. You might see a warning message during setup, but don't worry, we'll address it. Step 2. Adjusting UAC settings. If you encounter a warning about user account control, UAC, here's how to resolve it. Go to the search bar on your computer and type msconfig. In the System Configuration window, go to the Tools tab and find Change UAC Settings. Click Launch, then drag the slider to Never Notify and click OK. With that done, return to the XAMPP installer and click Next to continue. Step 3. Installation process. On the next screen, you'll see a list of components XAMPP offers, including Apache, MySQL, PHP, and more. It's best to keep the default selection, which includes everything you need for development. You'll also choose the folder where XAMPP will be installed. Once ready, proceed with the installation. The process may take a few minutes, so please be patient. For this demo, we've time-lapsed this part to save time. After the installation is complete, click Finish to launch the XAMPP control panel. Step 4. Testing XAMPP. Now that we're on the XAMPP control panel, let's test if Apache and MySQL are working. Occasionally, some laptops or desktop computers may encounter issues after installation. If Apache doesn't start, here's how to fix it. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Run the command provided in the video description below to check if port 80 is in use. If port 80 is unavailable, we'll take an alternative approach. Stop any running services in the XAMPP control panel. Go to Apache config and open the first file, httpd.conf. Look for the line listen 80 and change it to listen 8080. Similarly, find the line server name localhost 80 and change it to server name localhost 8080. Save the file and return it to the XAMPP control panel. Now, restart Apache. You should see that it's working correctly. Step 5. Accessing phpMyAdmin. To access the phpMyAdmin page, open your browser and enter http://localhost 8080/myadmin/. This will take you to the admin page where you can manage your databases. Before wrapping up, don't forget to reset your UAC settings back to their default to ensure your system remains secure. Once done, it's recommended to restart your computer for all changes to take effect. Congratulations! You've successfully set up XAMPP and are now ready to start your development projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. Let us know in the comments if you encounter any challenges or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy coding! Once again, this is Ava and you're watching FUSASIS.